today we are going to learn present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Urdu name is Filhal Mutlaq. Filhal Mutlaq. Urdu sign of present indefinite tense. Urdu sign. Da है, दी है, they हैं. Structure. How we can make a sentence of present indefinite tense. Subject plus V1 plus object. For example, we take a sentence in Urdu. मैं खत लिखता हूँ. मैं खत लिखता हूँ. मैं खत लिखता हूँ. Urdu. अब now English. I write a letter. I write a letter. Now how we can change this sentence in negative? I do not write a letter. I do not write a letter. For example, we take a sentence. I write a letter. For changing into negative sentence, after helping verb, you must put not. You must put